Hi guys, today we will see how to delete my Apple ID account. First of all, I would like you to leave a like and a subscription. It would really help me a lot. Thank you. Well, as a first step, we must go to our favorite browser. Then we search for privacy.apple.com. We log in with our Apple ID. Now we go down a little bit and click on Delete Your Account. Now we go down a little bit. We select the reason why we are going to delete our account and send the request. Now we simply log out of our Apple ID on our Apple devices and simply wait for our account to be deleted. It may take a while, not long, but it will be deleted for sure. That's all. Thank you very much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video if you found it useful. If not, leave me a comment and I'll try to help you. Thanks and see you next time.